Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your laptop meets requirements. CPU, GPU, 8 GB plus RAM and 20 GB free. Once done, open Microsoft Store and install the Xbox app, then sign in with your Microsoft/Xbox account so licenses sync. Make sure your console or cloud device and laptop share the same Wi-Fi 5/6 network or use Ethernet for stability. Don't pause here. Enable Bluetooth if you plan to pair an Xbox controller too, because controller pairing is the very next step. Next, pair your Xbox controller to the laptop. Use Bluetooth settings for wireless or plug via USB-C for zero latency. Test buttons in Windows controller settings so inputs register. Then open the Xbox app and choose console streaming for your console or cloud gaming for Xbox Cloud. Follow on-screen prompts to connect and authorize streaming. Once connected, open the in-app streaming settings and adjust quality. Choose 60 FPS and 720p for unstable Wi-Fi or 1080p/60 for strong networks, because balancing latency and resolution matters. To finalize, optimize the laptop. Close heavy apps, set power to high performance, and disable VPNs that add latency so streaming stays smooth. Once done, test a gameplay session and tweak visuals in the Xbox app. Make sure audio routes to the correct device. If you hit lag or dropped frames, switch to wired Ethernet, lower the streaming resolution, or restart your router. These steps resolve most issues. If your controller disconnects, repair it or update firmware with the Xbox Accessories app. That single fix often restores stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.